We're going to look at a type of driving lane that many of you have probably used before, and that's the center left turn lane, also known as a two-way left turn lane. First of all, we're not talking about dedicated left turn lanes like this. These are also used for making left turns, but they're only used by traffic going in one direction. On the other hand, center left turn lanes will be located between lanes of traffic that are going in opposite directions, and vehicles coming from both directions can use this lane to make left turns. The center left turn lane itself will be marked by solid yellow lines on the outside and broken yellow lines next to them on the inside. The start of a center left turn lane is sometimes marked with signs. There will also be turn arrows pointing in both directions indicating the lane is for making left turns for vehicles coming from both ways. And depending on the road you're on, center left turn lanes can go on for quite a while. Where two-way left turn lanes can be used, when someone needs to turn left, they can pull into the center lane and other traffic can continue on unimpeded. Sometimes you may also share the center lane with a vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Getting into the center lane too soon and staying there might interfere with other vehicles also trying to use that lane. If where you're going to turn is way down the road, don't enter the turn lane too soon and drive in it for a long distance. That can get you a ticket. Center left turn lanes are not to be used for passing slower vehicles in front of you and then pulling back in front of them. That can also get you a ticket. Are you allowed to pull into that center left turn lane and then make a U-turn to get going back in the right direction? What do you think? The answer is yes. You can use the shared left turn lane to make a U-turn if there aren't any signs saying no U-turns allowed, and if you have enough distance between you and oncoming traffic to do it safely, and if you have enough room to complete your U-turn in one continuous maneuver. It's not safe to make a partial turn, back up, and then complete your turn while in the middle of the road.
But you can also pull into the center lane from a parking lot or a driveway and use it as a holding zone where you can wait until it's clear for you to safely merge into the flow of traffic to your right. But here's the catch. In both situations, you're allowed to be stopped in the left turn lane, but you can't travel in that lane. So if you find yourself passing cars to your right or using the center lane as you would, say, a freeway on-ramp to get up to speed to merge, you're breaking the law. Keep in mind, this is one lane used by traffic coming from both directions. There's a huge potential for head-on collisions, which is why you can stop in it, but you can't drive in it.